Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. Here is my second video on my water stop project. If you need Simpson FX-764, it's a good water stop product. I've used this quite a bit, pretty extensive. Stop water on this guy here, so we're able to get that grouted, stop the water on this guy, got him formed and ready to grout. Another couple passes on this one, I'll have this guy finished. Been using this product a long time. Looks good. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can follow this project and over 2,000 others. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.